Today, we delve into the digital nomad lifestyle, and you would have seen it everywhere. Instagram feeds full of laptops on beaches, coffee in hand, some caption about living the dream. The digital nomad life. Sounds perfect, right? But maybe you're wondering, is it really as free as it looks? Let me be honest. I used to watch those same videos, daydreaming about quitting my job, packing my laptop, and working from Bali. The promise? Ultimate freedom. Make your own hours. Choose your own office. Never put on pants again. But here's what nobody tells you. First, freedom comes with trade-offs. Sure, you can hop from Thailand to Spain, but you're also juggling time zones, spotty Wi-Fi, and, let's be real, a constant longing for a real pillow. That work from anywhere promise? Sometimes it's more like work from the loudest cafe because the hostel Wi-Fi is down. There's also this weird pressure to always be living your best life. If you're not posting a sunset photo, are you even a nomad? And while the flexibility sounds great, it can blur every boundary. Suddenly, you're answering emails at midnight just to keep a client happy in a different hemisphere. Work-life balance? It's more like work-life smoothie. Everything blended together, a little messy, a little unpredictable. But here's the honest truth. If you crave adventure, if you're comfortable with uncertainty, if you like piecing together your own version of life, digital nomadism can be the ultimate form of freedom. Not because it's easy, but because you get to decide what matters most. Some days that's a mountain hike after work. Other days it's just laundry and deadlines in a tiny Airbnb. Over time, you start to realize that freedom isn't just about where you work. It's about how you choose to live. For some, that means stability, routine, a desk that's always yours. For others, it's the thrill of new places and new challenges, even with all the chaos that comes with it. So, is the digital nomad life really worth the freedom? Only you can answer that. But don't let the highlight reels fool you. It's not always sunsets and smoothie bowls. It's growth, discomfort, surprising friendships, and learning what you actually want, outside the algorithm. If you're thinking about taking the leap, ask yourself, do you want to travel or do you want to change your life? Because sometimes freedom isn't about escaping. It's about choosing. Choose wisely. Thanks for watching. And if you've ever dreamed of working from the road, drop your dream destination in the comments. I'll be reading them on my next airport layover.